Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how you can fix your Epic Games that is just listed as queue. So first, you want to check on your internet, make sure you are connected to your internet, make sure no other games are still updating or not installing. You're going to see it like they're going to be stacked, so make sure no other games are updating, and there you go. Or you can do is cancel your download and then you reinstall again on your Epic Games. If those still didn't work, you can do the old restart your Epic Games. So there you go, in your task icon, in the taskbar, your task icon, you're going to see your Epic Games launcher. Right click that and click on exit, and then you wanna open Epic Games again and then install again. I hope that fixes your problem, and thanks for watching.